Is it too early? Let me know in the comments. You can tell me off there. Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today we're starting early. I know it's kind of like still early November, but I thought, well, I'd start with the Christmas stuff. Like I said in my earlier intro, you can tell me off in the comments. I wanted to start early because I have so many ideas for Christmas and I wanted to make a start on some of these. So to start off with, I'm going to do some Christmas, some normal, and then obviously December, probably first week in December, the majority will be Christmas crafts in polymer clay, of course. But I just wanted to show you this really cool technique of a Christmas tree that I saw on Pinterest. It was a little short video, it was so cool, and originally it was done with cardboard. And I thought, you know what, I think I can do that with polymer clay. So I'm going to show you how I did it. And I'm going to turn this into a Christmas tree. So without further ado, here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So, as I always say, I had a lot of fun with this. But the reason why I had a lot of fun with this one is because it's kind of different. So I wanted to try it out because a lot of these were made out of cardboard, and I thought, you know what, all you've got to do is cut the shape out and then make it into something that's sturdy enough that can just slide together. And I thought, what a cool idea. And then I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to just completely jazz it up. So you can actually make these so that they slide together and then unslide, so you can pack them separately if you want to, you know, in your Christmas crafts and things like that, and get them out once a year. Or like I did, you can glue it together once it's done. So as you can see, I used the glitter, and this is holographic glitter. So I'm not going to be able to link this in the description, based on the fact that I got it from a local store in town where I live, and it's like a nail art glitter, something like that, but it's fairly kind of like holographic, so it's a really nice one. And if I can find something similar that will match what it looks like in real life, I will link it in the description. So I absolutely love the way this all came out. I did glue my fingers together a few times. It wasn't the easiest of things to get all of this glitter on the side here. Now, instead of using super glue, I used the liquid polymer clay, and you know what? Super glue would have worked a lot better because it would have gone on, I wouldn't have had to rebake it, and I don't know, it just would have been quicker. But me and my super glue hatred, I decided that I would use mica powder and rebake it. Takes longer, and now for once I'd actually recommend the super glue option, which is really weird for me because I would normally go for the unsuper glued version. So as I said earlier, I have actually super glued this together as well, and the reason why I've done that is because, you know what, I wanted it to stay like this and I really liked it, so I just thought, you know, why not just stick it all together. So full turnaround as I normally do, so you can see the full glory of it all. I just absolutely love this. So what I also tried to do is make this star as well, and I thought, you know what, I can put this on there, and no, it does not. You're going to need to make this separately. You're going to need to make it flatter if you want this to go on top, and you probably need to put some sort of wire through it or something like that, so you can actually push it in to one of the sides of the Christmas tree, and then it will work. However, I gave up with this. I don't know if this will even make it into the final cut of the video, but I wanted to show you how you can make something with a cutter and then completely change it. So just because you're using a cutter doesn't mean to say that you have to use it as the exact shape. You can then change it after. So I kind of struggle with making stars in general because I don't know why, they're kind of like pointy and really simple. But what I wanted to do is get a general shape, and then as you saw with a dotting tool, I just made it more pointy. So this is how you make little tree decorations and a star I didn't use from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. next door neighbours brought out the dragons, it would appear.
Oh, I think I've drunk too much coffee. I have a bit of a headache.
If you can hear a snory dog in the background, I'll show you at the end. He's sat right behind me. Well, curled up in a little donut right behind me. He's very cute, but he's snoring at present.